Okay guys, this is 12th floor tram hotel room tour. This is my room for two people, but I will stay here alone on the 12th floor. So we have the mirror here. Hi guys. I love the view from here. It was a little difficult to open for me, but it's okay. So this is my balcony. This is the best part of my suite from my room. So we have the tennis courts here. Very beautiful city view. Also, this is the view to my favorite Russian restaurants. This is Kalinka and this is Matryoshka. I will eat in each of them during my stay in Miami. The view to the buildings, it's pretty much huge balcony. I prefer non-smoking rooms, so it smells really good. From this side I have TV, some snacks. Here I hate sweets, I hate chips, but they look really good here. Okay. Also the wine and water, what we really need here. Okay, so, and the most important thing here, especially after my 3 hours trip, my waking up at 3 a.m. sorry, the coffee machine and coffee, the breakfast blend. Yeah, I think I will choose that one. And one more coffee, sticks, sugar, and my bathroom. The bathroom with my white robe. Hello, one more time. Okay, with my white robe. Also, I have massage soap. I hope it will be the good one here. Looks really nice. It reminds me the soap which I got in Rio Palace in Mexico. Okay, and that's it. I hope the stay in this hotel will be interesting, will be happy. Yeah, there is very important thing because I have a lot of dresses for this stay. Iron, laundry bags, extra pillows, and even umbrella. So this room contains everything you need for good and cozy stay in Miami, especially Russian part of Miami, Sunny Isles. They gave me this key I don't know why they gave me a couple of them. I think it's magazine about what we can visit in Miami. Okay. Also, they have a restaurant. I think we need to have reservation or order some food. Okay. Oh, so you can order the food to your room, but I prefer to visit Russian restaurants. It's more interesting for me because this is American cuisine. The breakfast in this hotel is not included, so if you want, you can order to your room. Okay, real bar, lobby bar. And somebody told me that we have very good pool on the second floor of this hotel. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Ask me a question about my staying here, and have a good day.